Okay, good day to you, lovely people. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, good evening. Anytime you are watching this video, my name is Engineer Olayinka Bakare, and I'm one of the most sought after digital marketing coach. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can link your WhatsApp business number to your Facebook page. I'm going to be showing you how you can link your WhatsApp business number to your Facebook page. And I think it's very easy to do that. So to get started, log into your Facebook account, just like you are seeing this Facebook account here. Log into your normal Facebook account. And at the top, you will see your name, where you have your profile. That's where you have your name, your profile picture. Beside it, you have home. The next one there is create. And the last button there is your triangle button that is facing down. So you click on that triangle button, and a drop-down menu will appear just like this, and you will see advertising on Facebook. Advertising on Facebook. You click it, and you allow it to load. So don't forget, before you link your WhatsApp number, you must have created a page. So you can get my video and now you can create page as well. So the next thing you see here, you see create an ad. You are getting started. Creating ad. Creating ad. So you click on create an ad. You click on create an ad. And then you wait for it to load. Don't forget, this is a new account. This is a new account. It's loading now. It's coming up. Loading manager. And so while that is coming up, why do you need to link your WhatsApp to your Facebook page? It's for conversion. It's for conversion. So you see something like this, your ad objectives, and you see traffic. So because we want to link our page, you click on traffic, because it's going to take us to where we are going to link our WhatsApp business. You click on traffic. Now immediately you click on traffic, you hold on. There will be you scroll down, you will see campaign name, and you see traffic. Click that campaign name, delete what you have there, and just enter a campaign name. Just for instance, like say, I want to run adverts for Divine Grace School. That's the name of the adverts I want to run, Divine Grace School. And I'll click on set up ad account. Set up ad account. Now, please listen to this place very well. This is the first and last time that you are going to be having this year. So you have to be very, very careful. Here it says account country, leave it in Nigeria. Currency, if it is not in Naira, you have to change it. But this your time zone is what matters. You have to change it to Africa, Lagos. Please, this is very, very important. Because why do you need to do this one? Anytime you want to run adverts, it will ask you. It has to be in Naira. But if you don't change it here now, it will always be in dollars. It will always be in dollars. So that is the reason why you need to check this place. So in fact, let me say this page, this video is for how to link your WhatsApp business number and how you can change from dollars to Naira. How you can change your currency from dollars to Naira. So the currency, if it's not in Nigeria, you pick Nigeria. Account country, if it's not Nigeria, you pick Nigeria. Currency, you pick Nigeria Naira. And time zone, Africa, Lagos. Africa, Lagos. Then you click continue. This is the first and last time I think you'll be doing this, which is very, very important for you to note. Wow. So don't forget, we are going back to we want to see how we can link our WhatsApp account to our Facebook page. Now, the next page here, add set name. Yeah, don't worry about this one. Just you see under traffic, you see website, app, messenger, WhatsApp. So click on WhatsApp, and we tell you to select the page that you want to add your number. Yes, to tell you to select the page that you want to add your number. So yeah, I have just one page. Okay, this is the name of the page, Divine Grace Group of Schools. So if you have created your page, you must see your name there. Let me come again. Let me come after. Under this traffic, you have website, app, messenger. You click on WhatsApp. When you click on WhatsApp, it will tell you select the page. You click on that arrow, down triangle button to tell you personal. It will tell you if you have many pages, just click it to bring it out. Just select the page you want to add. So Divine Grace Group of Schools. Now it's saying this page is not connected to a WhatsApp account. Yes, this page isn't connected to the WhatsApp account. So what do? You say you just click on connect WhatsApp account. Immediately you click on connect WhatsApp account, please listen to this place because I'm not going to do it because I'm only using this one for you to know. This is just the last part. You type the name of the you type the number, but you remove. If it is 080, you just type 0, you just type 80. If it is 070, you just type 70. If it is 081, just type 81. Don't need to put the first 0. Okay, just put the number. Listen and listen to my people. Just put the number complete like that, apart from the first 0. Then you click on next. Immediately you click on next. Make sure that the WhatsApp number you want to connect with is beside you. Listen, if you are helping, if you are a digital marketer, you are helping somebody, you want to help somebody to, maybe the client is not where you are, the client is far away. Just tell the client, make sure you call the client before you get to this stage. Tell the person to make sure that he has data on his phone, that is connected, is online on WhatsApp. So, because immediately you put this number, you click on next, it will send a code. It will send a confirmation code immediately to the WhatsApp, not message, the main WhatsApp number. So what you just do is, if the phone is beside you, just type the number that is sent to your WhatsApp, to your phone, to this place, to the next button that is going to bring out, and before you know, you just click OK. But let me practice. Let me say 036439223. Can you see now? So I'll just say next. Now, can you see now? It will send the code. Yes, I've already received the code. The code is on my WhatsApp. The code is on my WhatsApp. Let me bring it out. Okay, the code is your Facebook confirmation code is 23. You enter the code here. 23182. You just say submit. Just say submit. Wow, glory be to God. So we have successfully added our WhatsApp account to our page. So see, this page is connected to a WhatsApp account with number. So that is your ID. Your WhatsApp account number is your ID. So this is you only do it first and you only do it the first time. What do I mean? Since you have added the WhatsApp account number here, this is the only time you do it. As long as the page still exists, you're not going to do it 2 times. It's just once. It's just once. It's just once. It's just once. So, so from there you can now continue. So why do you need to link your WhatsApp account to your Facebook page? When you run your advert, that will allow people to, when people click on your advert, it will come straight to your normal WhatsApp account. But it is advisable to use WhatsApp business number. So if you have 2 lines on your phone and you have used one number for the normal WhatsApp, you use the second number for WhatsApp business. You don't use the same number that you use for your normal WhatsApp and your WhatsApp business. You use different numbers. I hope this is clear. So thank you so much. God bless you. My name once again is Engineer Olayinka Bakare, and I'm one of the most sought after digital marketing coach. God bless you. See you next time. If you want to reach me, my number is 070-3643-9223. And my Facebook name is Olayinka Bakare. Thank everybody. God bless you once again.